Hello students, today we will see what is meant by an equation and how it forms. An equation is expression with equal sign. Then question arises, what is meant by an expression? Expression is a combination of variables, arithmetic operators and constants. Variables are the placeholders for unknown quantities. That means value of it changes, usually denoted by letters of alphabet. Arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then what are constants? Constants are the key number whose value is fixed. Let's consider the term sum of a number and 7. Then sum indicates we need to use plus operator. A number indicates a variable. Here we take variable as a p, and 7 it indicates a constant. That means here is the output. We have got expression as p plus 7. Then we'll see different forms of expressions. Suppose there is a statement like this, sum of a number and 6. That means here we can go for x plus 6. 9 more than a number. It also reflects addition. We can write it as a y plus 9. What about m plus 4? It is very straightforward. We may write m plus 4 as it is. These are the some important forms of an addition expression. Then let's move towards subtraction. Suppose there is an expression like this, subtract 5 from a number. We can write as a p minus 5. Then subtract a number from 5. That means 5 minus p. It may also ask like this, take away 4 from a number. That means we may go for x minus 4. These are some subtraction expressions. Okay. Let's move towards multiplication. Multiply a number by 7. We can denote it as a 7x. Suppose it may ask like this, 7 times x. 7 times it indicates multiplication. We can conclude this expression as 7x. Now it's the time to move towards division. Number b divided by 5, that means b upon 5. 1/5 of a number z, that means z upon 5. 3/4 of a number d, that means 3d upon 4. And quotient of a number d and 7, here is the fraction, that means we can go for d upon 7. These are some important forms of an expressions. Then how can we evaluate value of an expression? Suppose this is an expression 4p plus 5. The value of this expression depend upon the value of an variable. Suppose I take p is equal to 1. That means if I put 1 instead of p, I will get 9 as the value of an expression. Suppose I take value p equal to 5. That means 4 into 5 is 20 plus 5. I will get 25 as the value of an expression. And p equal to 0, I will get 5 as the answer for the expression of value of an expression. Now consider the statement sum of a number 7 is 10. Sum indicates operator, number indicates a variable, 7 indicates constant. What about is? Is indicate here we need to equate this sum of a number and 7 to the 10. That means if your statement contains is, we need to use equal sign. 10 is the constant. So we have got something like this: p plus 7 equal to 10. This is an expression with equal sign. That means it is an Now equation is expressions with equal sign. Let's consider equation a plus 5 equal to 9. Here a indicates variable, plus indicate operator. 5 and 9, these are constants. So here in this equation a plus 5 is an expression and whole thing is an equation. Let's consider another example. Y plus 15 equal to 2y plus 6. Here in this example, y indicate variable, plus indicate operator. 15 and 6, these are constants. Suppose that means here y plus 15 is an expression and 2y plus 6 is another expression. And here the whole term is known as an equation. That means we can conclude that in equation we can equate expression with constants and expression with expression as well. Let's summarize some important points. An equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. In our expression, x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 6. At least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. In our case here, x plus 4 equal to 7. That means left hand side of this equation contain a variable x. Third important point is that if we interchange the position of the expression from left hand side to right hand side or vice versa, the equation remains same. That means if I consider an equation 4x plus 5 equal to 9, it is equivalent to 9 equal to 4x plus 5. These are some important points regarding an equation. In our next video, we will learn how to form an equation from given statements. Thank you.